Hello everyone. Welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a very interesting code on randomization. How do you randomize array index? When you understand this example, a lot of concepts are going to be clear. So I request you to please understand this example thoroughly. In case you don't understand, go through this video again and again till you understand, and after that, try to code by yourself, practice, run, analyze the output, and understand each and every line. Let's get started. I have a class called as randC index, in which I have an array. This is a fixed size array, as you can see, of size 7. There are 7 array elements. Then I have a randC. We had seen in the previous lectures that randC stands for cyclic randomization, which means it does not repeat value until all the values are covered. This is a 3-bit variable. Since I have 7 values, 2 raised to 3 is 8. So 3 bits are enough to cover these 7 values. That's why this is 3-bit. I have a function to choose an array element. And this function is returning array of IDX. IDX stands for index. And if you remember, index is randC, cyclic randomized. Now, I don't want to generate invalid values. What will be the invalid value? There are 2 raised to 3 values possible, means 8. But my array is only of size 7. So, I don't want that 8 value to be generated. So, I am creating a constraint for the index so that index is less than 7, because index starts from 0. So, 0 to 6 is the correct value for index. Now, let us create a module to test this class. I have a test randC index in which I have initial block. In this, I am creating an object of class randC index. I am randomizing this object 10 times. Whenever you randomize, you will get a different value of index value. If you get different value of index, every time a different index will be chosen and a different array element will be chosen corresponding to that index. Finally, we are displaying the values. Let us see the output. Just note that every time a new value of index should be covered until all the values are covered, because it is randC. 0, 6, 2, 4, 3, 1, 5. Then 3 is repeating. All 7 values are covered, then the values are getting repeated. So, randC is getting followed. And the corresponding values for each index are getting printed. This is how you can generate a random index for a array. This technique is going to be very, very useful in future. So, please remember this coding example, how you can randomize the index of an array. See you in the next video lecture.